guys, it's Arielle here from Fix My Books, and today I am going to show you where to find your PD7A in QuickBooks Online. So it used to be here where you go to filings, and then you will see it here where it will say remittance forms monthly, right? So a lot of people are getting confused because QuickBooks updated and now they don't know where it is. So it's just here. Just make sure you are in this page, right, where you do the taxes, payroll tax. And then once you're here in payroll tax, go to payments. And then once you're here in payments, click all payment resources and you will see it here now. Remittance forms monthly. This is the PD7A. So click this and then you will see this screen, which you are going to be very familiar with, and then click PD7A and then choose the month of the PD7A that you need. So for example, let's see this. There's nothing for June. So that is here. There's nothing for June because it's blank, but you can see that it's there. It's not missing. Don't freak out. So that's it. I just wanted to record this video because I'm sure a lot of people will be asking this question. So once again, this is Arielle from Fix My Books, helping you fix your books. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you always get notified whenever I upload new videos to my YouTube channel. And once again, this is Arielle from Fix My Books, helping you fix your books.